Welcome to this presentation video. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Agung Triatmojo, and I would like to thank you for the days of Faculty of Law and Language, University of Sti Kubang Semarang, Miss Agnes Widyaningrum. Also thanks to my advisor, Mr. Teguh Prabowo, and to the Board of Examiners who has given to opportunity to present the result of my thesis titled Love versus Libido in American Gigolo Movie, a Freudian psychoanalytic study. I have 5 points to elaborate my thesis. The first one is background of the study, the second one is problem statement, the third one is research method, the fourth one is finding in discussion, and the last one is the conclusion. First point, background of the study. Robert 2003 ever mentioned about the relationship between literature and psychology. In his book Writing About Literature, Robert 2003 mentioned that one approach to analyze literature is through psychology. According to Robert's book, literature can be analyzed based on psychological approach. The focus of the analysis is one the analysis of psychological aspect of character, but nothing how character in literature and psychoanalysis are related in some humanity research methods. Therefore, the writer decided to take Freudian psychoanalysis as the theory applied for this study. Sigmund Freud, who is considered the originator of the modern use of them, defined libido as the energy regarded as a quantitative magnitude of this instinct which have to do with all the might be compressed under the word love. It is clear that Freud himself related libido with love. Therefore, the writer decided to conduct a study which contests the libido and love in character. The second point, problem of statement. How did the main character in the movie behave concerning their libido in perspective of psychoanalytic theory? How did love and libido of the main character in the movie juxtapose perceived from psychoanalytic theory? So, it will focus on elaboration about how love and libido influence the male and the female characters in the movie and how those actions are formed based on Freudian psychoanalytic framework such as id, ego, and superego concept. The third point, research method. The method of analyzing that data in this research is descriptive qualitative method. Primary data are taken from the selected sentence of American Gigolo movie subtitle. The writer also using secondary data by theories of explanation. The analysis is aimed to both male and female character of the movie. It was conducted by the following procedure. First, watching the movie carefully. The second step is noting and selecting sentences, especially of the male and female characters, to find out the libido action and how their libido relates to their love in their relationship. Lastly, from the note, the data could be collected and analyzed relating to the male and female characters, libido and love according to Freudian concept of id, ego, and super. The fourth one, finding and discussion. A. How the main character behave concerning their libido in the perspective of psychoanalytic theory. This part divided into two parts, which are curious behavior, moral motivated behavior, and comparison of behavior between main character. Next slide. Discuss about curious behavior. First, it is Michelle as a woman who has more curiosity and libido toward Julian as a man, because she directly say she want to hear him for one fuck. However, Julian refuses to be seen and acknowledged as a gigolo, so he left her alone. This indicates that Julian does not have the same level of libido and curiosity as Michelle. Julian is not curious about Michelle. From the conversation between Michelle and Julian, it is clear that it's not pressure with always raise a libido, even though the libido belongs to it, which work under the principle of pleasure. This is a new finding, and it is rather contrastive to Freud's statement, which stated that libido belongs to it, which work under the pleasure principle. Here, Michelle gets curious about Julian and that it is why she wants to hear Julian as a gigolo. Curiosity belongs to the rational soul, so another clue can be drawn that ego, as the rational part of psyche may also play a great part in raising the libido. Next slide. How curiosity and libido relate can be seen when Michel confidently says Julian and comes to his house without even being invited by Julian. Here, Michel desperately chases Julian. Julian, who has less curiosity, appears to show less libido because he still denies Michel about his profession as a gigolo. His denial and relentless rejection toward Michelle appear on his statement. Nevertheless, Julian still accepts Michelle when he hears Michelle say, I like blah blah blah. Julian, Julian libido is moved not by curiosity but by emotional verbal stimulation. The point are A. The cause of libido is different and it is not always about pleasure principle as Freud said. B. The more curiosity someone has, the more libido and action will be taken. Next slide. Discuss about moral motivated behavior. Julian accepts Michelle because he considers moral standard as gigolo, not pleasure, not nor rational curiosity. It is because Julian is a person who is really faithful to his work as a gigolo. He regards his occupation as one moral value he has in his life. He feels being a gigolo is worthwhile and care enough. How Julian sees work as a one this ethical standard can be seen on the next citation. Next slide. Still in the same point, moral motivated behavior, Julian identifies it or libido by stating in the importance and the value of his profession as gigolo. Julian even say, I'm not from anywhere. I'm from this bed. Anything worth knowing about me you can learn from letting me make love. Next slide. Comparison of behavior between main character. The more curiosity someone has, the more libido and action will be taken. Ego, in the form of curiosity, can cause it, and it, in the form of libido, can strengthen the ego in the form of curiosity, and superego in the form of moral value can cause and strengthen it in the form of libido. These three psychic aspects do not work in opposite, but rather they work together with the concept of causing, strengthening, or controlling. Based on analysis, it is clear that libido really influences characters' behavior based on Freudian psychological framework. The influence especially can be observed in how ego and superego can cause control and strength it can be in the form of character libido. Next slide. Still in finding and discussion point B. How love and libido of the main character were juxtaposed perceived from psychoanalytic theory. This discussion is divided into two parts. A. Confusion between love and libido in marriage life. B. Love and libido sometimes strains each other. Next slide. Confusion between love and libido in marriage life. Julian and Michelle talk about Michelle marital life. From the situation, it is clear that Michelle is finding and getting love from Julian because her husband does not prioritize her need. So she like Julian, whom she feel can give him real love. Next slide. Love and libido sometimes strengthen each other. In this situation, clear that Michelle wants to be loved, not as a work. Therefore, Michelle is about being loved for real by her partner. Here it affects her libido and strengthened by her curiosity. It caused her to push Julian to leave his work as gigolo. Michelle also voluntarily paid for Julian's legal defense, and she also damaged her own reputation as politician wife by confessing that Julian stayed with her on the night of the murder. On the next situation, Julian asks why Michelle protect him, and she just answers that she has no choice because she loves him. By stating that she has no choice, it proves that love is really Michelle. It differs from Michelle Julian's love is not so related to his libido as on the situation he started. All my life I've been looking for something I don't even know what it is. Maybe you are what I'm looking for. Julian it is being a relationship with a woman who wants him. This also explains why Julian morally regret and values confession as gigolo as a superego. Therefore, guiding by it and his superego, Julian ego is living his life as professional gigolo without really committing to any woman beyond professional matter. Some point are note: A. The need of love and the need of relationship can become it and work synergically with the libido. B. The it can be fulfilled by only through applying realistic solution, such as paying for something and convincing the other. C. The character can live well without experiencing any ego-defined mechanism. Therefore, Freud's statement about ego-defined mechanism are not applicable on the movie, but his concept about tripartite model of human psyche, id, ego, superego, is applied can be applied in analyzing the main character of this movie. Last discussion conclusion. The writer concludes that libido really affects character behavior based on Freudian psychological framework. Their Freudian psych aspect, namely id, ego, superego, do not work in opposite, but rather they work together with a concept of causing, strength, controlling. The need of love and the need of relationship can become the most basic need, and this need works synergically with the libido, which is also part of it. The character really plays a great part in how the character takes certain important decisions. The eight of main character in the movie are fulfilled will only through applying realistic solution, such as paying for something and confessing the truth. The character can live well without experiencing an ego defense mechanism. Therefore, Freud's statement about ego defense mechanism are not applicable on main character of this movie, but this concept about tripartite model of human psyche, ego, and superego is applicable in analyzing main character of this movie. I would like to thank you for taking to listen to my presentation.